Hello, welcome back. Here I'll be explaining about text alignment in a cell in Google Sheets, where you can align the text either horizontally, just like this, or just vertically, just like so. Let's start doing some text alignment. Let's say if you head over to this cell and then you type anything, for example, hello, and then you want to merge the cells, just like so, by selecting these two cells in a column. Afterwards, you head over to Format, Merge Cells, and then click on Merge All. So the alignment, the bottom and the left alignment, the bottom one and the left alignment is set as default. What if you want to change the text alignment so that it lies at the very center of the cell? We have to, sort of do some tweaks with the border by adding some borders, just like so. Afterwards, to centerize the text, click here to do the alignment horizontally. That is to the left or to the right. Pick center so that it's located at the center horizontally. But it's not centered because, we haven't done any adjustment with the vertical alignment. Click here and then click on middle so that it's placed in the middle of the cell, just like so. Let's do some more tweaks by merging these two cells in another column. Format, merge cells, and then click on merge all, and then type anything. For example, welcome. Afterwards, you want to make the text aligned to the right. Click here and then click on right. And then let's say if you want the text to be on top vertically, click here and then click on top, just like so. Top, bottom, top, left, right. Really simple to do. That's how you can align a text in a cell in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.